Have you ever had empties and then look at them before you throw them away and say, you know what? I would repurchase each and every single one of them? Well, I think I'm in that category today. The first one is Sauce Beauty, clarifying scalp treatment, apple cider. I think this is my second or third one. I would repurchase this again. But I have a lot of hair care stuff I need to use, so I'm not purchasing anything but that. I love. You must purchase these things. If you're living, breathing, you must purchase these things. So this is like a given. You know what I mean? These are the triple action, three benefits for deep clean. And it is protection, whitening, and freshness. I'm talking about Colgate toothpaste. It's a must. It's a given. This look is for members only, and I created a look for them. The next thing I would purchase that I love, love, love so much. One of my kids gave it to me as a gift. I used the lotion, there were two lotions. I used both lotions. I used the full size bottle, and then there was a little trial size. I used that, and now the mini size. I have now used it, and when I tell you, anybody can relate to this smell. This smells so good. It is called La Vie est Belle by Lancome, and it is the eau de parfum. This is the mini, and I tell you, anybody who have this, let me know in the comments. The smell takes you to heaven. That's my saying. I don't know where it takes you, but this smell takes me to heaven. Takes me to heaven on earth. This La Vie est Belle. That I would repurchase in a minute. But I also use up another one, which one of my kids bought me, and it is called Love. Let me make sure, because I've been using it for a while. It finally finished, and it has a beautiful charm on it. It is called Love. One of my kids got me the whole set. I have used mostly everything. The only thing left is the mini size to this. And this is the full 3.4 ounce by Coach. Love this. And when I spray, I go rub, rub. I spray my thighs down to my foot. That's how I use perfume, because I want to smell good. If I pay that much money for it, I want to smell good. So that I would repurchase. Yes. But this would be first. La Vie est Belle. The next thing that I used up is Bath and Body Works Ocean Men's Collection 3-in-1 hair, face, and body wash. But I only use it as a body wash. This smells so good. I buy lots of them for my husband, but now my husband has something else in there. So I pulled this. I saw this one sitting there. I was like, oh, I'll use that, and I use it. Loved it. Loved it. It's not the first time I'm using anything men cologne, men shower gel. Yes, I use it. If I like it, I buy it. With my paper perfumes, I love them. That's how I get to smell what's nice. So when I do decide to buy a full size, I use a 5. Every day, I take one, I open, I go. Then I open the next one and I go. So I can smell the different one to see how they smell. So I have used 5. Juicy Couture. This side and this side. Emporium Amani. Oh no. Emporio Amani. And this one is called Aqua di Gio. Tell you, I want to see what it smells like. And if they come in here, I am going to use it. And that's Yves Saint Laurent, myself. And this one is Summer Mink by Drake, Better World Fragrance House, it says. And the other one, which I just used today, is Good Girl, Carolina Herrera, New York. And the blue, one was the blue, and one was the pink. For some reason, I'm leaning more towards the blue. But they both smell nice. My next item is Radiant Aura Vitamin C and Vitamin E Brightening Face Wipes, Exfoliating Hydrating Makeup Remover, 60 wipes. I use this. I don't think it did a good job taking out the makeup, but once I used my Garnier and I was done and I used this, it worked well. But just to take out the makeup, to me, it was a struggle, like a pool. So that one I won't be getting again. Last thing on my list here is I started getting these because I was not getting the Bath and Body Works emails. So I was always missing the sales. So I decided I will try something new. So I start using EOS Evolution of Smooth. That's what it means. Shea Better 24-hour moisture body lotion, fresh plus cozy. 7 nourishing oils and butters. Soothing protection for dry skin. I don't have dry skin, but this smell so good. And when I put it on my body, it makes it stay nice and moisturized. But this, you can still smell it. I had to cut it. The reason why I have to cut it, again, it's for dry skin, so it's thick, but it comes out the pump. But halfway through, I'll have all of this left. And it don't come. So I'll have to shake it, move it around, and then to the point where I'm like, you know what? I used to shake it, but then I was like, you know what? I'll just cut it to get it. So I did that. so I cut it. But this is my new thing. I'm on a second one, not the same smell, but a different smell, and I'm halfway through it. But I pause it because I am now getting the Bath and Body Works email. So I picked up a couple body creams the last time they had the sale. So I'm giving my other one a pause because I truly, truly think this is going to be my go-to from now on after I finish the Bath and Body Works. But these are my empties. This is everything that I used up. I don't know, in a couple months' time. I don't keep track. I just use my stuff, and when I think I have enough, I do. When I think I have enough, I do a video. I hope this video meets you in good health, and I pray that if you're not feeling well, that you do seek help. Always, always, always know that there is help for you. You're never, ever alone. We all have skeletons, honey. All of us have something. Some of us might not choose to talk about it because, some of us are just private people. And some of us talk about it because we want others to know that they're not alone. So don't think you're alone. Do not suffer in silence. Know that you're loved on this channel. And today's I am is, I am seeking help for whatever is hurting me. I am seeking help for whatever is hurting me. Take care of yourself. Love you very much, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.